let's take a look at how you can submit your routine excavation notifications with Web Ticket Entry. First things first, check the box to agree to our terms and conditions. Below that, you'll notice you have three options. First, you can select Ticket Inquiry and run a search for a previously submitted notification. Next, you can start a ticket and create a notification for your worksite. We'll get back to that in a second. The third box is Start Complex Project or Design. This will redirect you to Coordinate PA, where all complex project and design notifications must be submitted. For more information on this, check out our Coordinate PA training video. Now, let's get started on making a ticket. When you select Start a Ticket, you'll be prompted to enter your ticket type and ticket class. Notice that you can either submit a construction routine or emergency notification. Select the appropriate class and click Create Ticket. Once the ticket page opens, you have the option of changing your ticket type with the Change Ticket Type button. This option gives you another opportunity to make this ticket an emergency, provided it meets the definition of an emergency. In this case, our project is routine. The drop-down menus for County and Municipality allow you to choose the specific location for your project. The first thing you need to enter is your worksite. The worksite can only be a single address or single street name. It cannot be multiple addresses or multiple streets. The field will auto-populate the street names for your given municipality. A map outlining the parcel boundary will auto-generate. You can either use this boundary as your dig box, edit the points, or clear the map entirely and draw your own. Let's draw our own. To draw your own dig box, first select Clear Map. Then begin drawing on the map by clicking anywhere in your worksite. Remember, Web Ticket Entry only allows you to draw 6 points, so choose wisely. When satisfied, select Save Map. If you have coordinate information, you can enter it in latitude, longitude, point 1 and 2. Check the box to indicate if your worksite is marked in white. Remember, if you cannot provide exact location information on your ticket, you are required to mark in white. The next box is the all-important location information field. You are required to provide OneCall with exact location information to identify the worksite. For example, this can be measurements from landmarks or other points of note, compass directions, and other address information. This is also where you can specify multiple addresses on a single street. But remember, if your work is taking place at multiple work sites, you need to create a complex project on Coordinate PA. Next up, enter the type of work that you're performing. Some common options will auto-populate in this field based on keywords. Then indicate the depth, extent, method of excavation, and equipment type that will be used. You can provide general location information about your worksite with the next few fields. Choose if you're working in the street or sidewalk, and if the site is on public or private property. If private property, indicate the location. Remember, this does not suffice as exact location information. Please enter all exact location information in the location information box above. Next up, select the scheduled excavation date and time. The system will automatically provide all possible lawful start dates. Remember, Plan your work effectively and select the date that you know you will begin your job in order to avoid unnecessary update notifications. Enter the work duration next. If your job is going to extend beyond 10 days, you may need to create a complex project in Coordinate PA due to the extended construction timeframe. Under Work For Project Owner, enter the person you are performing the work for. Don't put your own name here unless you are actually performing the work for yourself. For on-site contact information, ensure you are providing the details for the true on-site contact, someone who is going to be able to provide answers about the project if a locator calls with questions. Also confirm that the on-site contact person has an active voicemail setup as well as an email address that they check frequently. Enter an internal job number if you have one. Finally, you can upload attachments to your ticket. Click Upload Ticket Attachment and a new window will open. Select the file you would like to upload. Please note the allowable file types and sizes. Give your file a name and a category that it fits into. Then click Save Ticket Attachment. You will be able to verify the attachment at the bottom of the ticket. Enter any final remarks if you have them, and click Create Ticket. You'll receive a serial number within seconds, as well as a confirmation of your lawful start dates. From the confirmation screen, you can create a new ticket, copy the ticket you just submitted, inquire on an existing ticket, or return to the Web Ticket Entry homepage. Congratulations! You just submitted a ticket with Pennsylvania OneCall's Web Ticket Entry. For more information, contact your local liaison today.